Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. So today's video is again about the placement and the questions frequently asked during placement. So let's have a look at the 7 most general questions being asked during the interview. The very first question asked is, why do you want to work here? How can you help our company, and why should we be interested in hiring you? Now think over these questions. I'll be sharing the answer that is in general. You can just go through that general answer and then frame your own answer. So you can say your answer that it is always based on the information you have researched in advance about the company and their needs. So from this question and answer, we get to understand that before going for any particular company interview, do research about the company and their needs. Now, the second question is, if you were choosing someone for this job, what kind of person would you select? Now, this is you have to tell that what kind of person are you going to select. So the answer can be in generally a state of your own general qualifications without being too obvious, right? So basically, you answer in such a way that all those requirements do meet your own general qualification or achievement. Now, the next question is, what weakness do you have for this job? This is very commonly asked, and people do tell about their weakness. That is the main drawback. You're not supposed to tell any negative statement. You can simply think for a while and just tell them that you can't think of any weakness that would compromise your performance for this job. This is the simple and basic answer which is required from you to answer. Now let's have a look at the next question. What do you see as your future here? Now you're supposed to tell how do you see yourself after 10 years from now. So a general answer would be like you would expect to be contributing at higher levels and have increased responsibility over the time. Try to keep your answers short and specific, and whatever you speak with confidence. That is the main key. Now next important question is, what are your short and long-term goals? To answer such questions, think for a while and then answer it. For short-term goals, you can say to secure an appropriate new position where I can apply my skills and experience to increase the company's productivity. That is, you are again talking in respect to that company for which you are sitting and giving an interview. So do mention that in respect to your company. Now, a long-term goal can be more responsibility and make greater contributions over the time for my employer. These questions are very frequently asked, so do prepare yourself for these questions. Now, the next question is, what have you done to improve yourself during the last year? To answer this, you can talk about your professional development, your training programs, educational curriculum, study in your field, on the job training, or any skill building that you have done. Here you are basically supposed to tell about yourself, the changes which you have brought in yourself. And the last question is, what is your leadership style? Like, in what way do you handle the responsibilities? So the general answer can be, talk in terms of your flexibility and adaptability, your ability to lead in whatever mode seems appropriate to the situation. Explain that it's more about what approach will work best for the project and the company at the same time. And flexibility and adaptability here means that you are ready to work in teams as well. So these 7 questions are very basic and general questions which are frequently being asked. So do prepare yourself for these 7 questions. If you find the video useful, then do like, share, and yes, do not forget to subscribe.